Hello everyone, it is Karina with Karina Loves to Plan. Thank you for joining me in my little corner of the internet where I talk all things planners, fountain pens, and fountain pen inks. Today we're planning in my little passport planner that I have cut down from basically an A6 Hobonichi notebook into a passport size, and this is what I'll be using for the rest of the year. So there is last week's spread. I'll actually just take this book out here. It's just easier to plan when I remove it. And then, here we go. I'll have to draw in this week's formatting. So using my ruler here, I bought this at Michael's, but there was someone who messaged me on Instagram saying that they found theirs in Walmart in the crafting section. So the crafting section, or the is it the sewing and fabric section. Goodness, go ahead and look for it there. All right, so let's draw in my layout. Gosh, I'm filming this on Monday after I've just finished work, and I've spent much of the day talking. So speaking with people at work, and my limit for how many words I'm using in a day or how much conversation I should be having in a day is probably almost reached here. So let's move these. So these are little stickies that I received from, oh my gosh, I'm not Stationery Pal. My brain is not braining. So I then separate my layout into 3 columns. So one larger column like this, and then the middle column, and then the smaller column on the right for weather. And then doing the same on this side here. So it's 7 or 8 squares. Just making sure I have enough room for everything. And then 3 grid wide for the weather. I don't know. I think the weather's a fun thing to add in here. It's nothing that, requires a lot of, it just adds to my spread, and it helps me plan out really what the week is going to look like. All right, so I'm going to zoom in here. Okay, I already did that, and I didn't even mention what I would be decorating with. I'm decorating with these deco stickers from Let's Planet. It's from the Greta collection, and I'll probably be only using like 1 or 2 of these. And then maybe some of this washi from Wearingold, and then the rest I'll be using in my journaling pages here. Oh, I did it again. I hate when I do that. And I even said to myself, don't draw the line all the way down, because you do not need to draw the line all the way down. And I still did it. Just might make it a little bit harder to then actually do my habit tracking down here. Oh, I'm mad at myself for doing that. Okay. All right, so then let's just go ahead and start writing in the dates. So the date is the 22nd, 23rd, 24th. I have to say these out loud because I feel like if I don't, I'm going to get it wrong somehow. 6, 27, 28. How is it almost the end of September already? Then I'm going to use my Mayfair pens. This is the Noldor model in the Amethyst Satin. And just write in the days of the week. And the ink in here is Tono and Lim's Amethyst. Now I know there's not a lot of purple in the actual stickers that I'm using, but the tiny hints of purple I want to bring out with this ink. And Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. Okay, perfect. Then I'm going to take one of these stickers and probably place them here or here, which is going to be the easiest. I really like this bookshelf one, but I also like this one too, I think. And then I could place one of the vases in another corner. Oh, that one's cute too. It's just a matter of what's going to fit. I like this one. And place it here. And I don't mind it going into Sunday Square, although now I wish that I had taken white out to that so that I don't have to worry about that. But then that leaves me with space here so that I could put the days of the week in here and then do my workouts and my habit tracking on this side. So that works out well. That, how many days are Sunday? Wait, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. So I could put Sunday here and then Saturday. Put the days of the week in the middle so that I could do my habit tracking on this side and write my workouts on this side. Let's use this pen again. And then my habits. So I have enough for, let's say 4 here. So we have my vitamins, my audiobook, my nighttime routine, and then no stationery spend. And I don't know if I want to grab my, yes, I do. My clean color dot. Oh, these colors will look perfect. Okay. So then just adding them right in here. I actually really like the look of the colored dots in here and then the check mark like I did in this week. Although I didn't fill out the rest of that, but it just looks more satisfying like that to me. Then let's do this green. And then purple. And then this teal. Oh, I like that a lot. Perfect. I feel like I almost need a habit tracker to track my habit tracking, if that makes sense. Okay, so let's see here. I'm going to see if I can place a sticker on this like area. And I'm thinking it's either this sticker or this sticker. Because if I place it in that area or here, Wednesday, I don't normally have a ton of things to do, but I feel like if I place it in the middle and then place this one in a different corner, that'll be okay. Yeah, because then I can put the rest of my to-do list around it. Okay. And that was crooked. And then place this one up here. Yes. Yeah, I kind of wish now that I had put the white out through those, but that's okay. So then this leaves me with 2, 4, 6, 8, 9 stickers that I'm going to use in my A5 for my journaling. So I'm like in my head, I'm like, I could use like Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Okay. All right. I actually think that's really cute. Now I'm going to use, now do I want to use orange? Because I feel like there's like the Dominant Industry Maple is nice to bring in some of the orange there rather than the Saguaro Green. Yeah, I'm going to change my mind here. That is my currently inked cheat sheet. So I'm going to use my Esterbrook Model J. This currently has Dominant Industry maple, and I'm going to write in my work shifts. So where is my blotting paper? There we go. Very organized. So work. Thankfully this week I'm back to my regular schedule. Last week I had an adjusted schedule since I had to take Thursday morning off due to appointments. But now we're getting back to where we need to be. Because all of last week I was waking up at 5 in the morning to get my workout in and be able to take Lucy for a walk. And I am tired. Okay, and then Saturday we have a lot of appointments, and I'm actually pulling them up on my, here we go. I'm pulling them up on my digital calendar first here. So Saturday, 9 o'clock, Henry has therapy. And at 10 o'clock, Robin has physiotherapy. Then 11:15, Henry has swimming. And then for me at 3 o'clock, I have my massage. So full on day of appointments. And then possibly a coffee date with a friend on the 28th. Adrian, if you're watching, are we still on for the 28th? Okay, so now I'll go in here and write in my to-do lists. And I'm going to do this with my Pilot Vanishing Point that has the extra fine nib. So my to-do lists are things like meal plan, which actually I have already done, and order groceries, which I have already done today. Then I need to film this plan with me. And I'm going to do something different. I'm going to film a journal with me because I need to catch up on Saturday and Sunday. And I thought, well, might as well film that. And then Tuesday, we have to, oh, and I also have to fold laundry tonight. And tomorrow, put out garbage. Then Wednesday, I need to wash the sheets, wash bed sheets. And Thursday, pick up groceries. Friday, nothing. And then Sunday is when we'll do our cleaning this weekend. So we'll do bathrooms. My husband does the vacuuming in the windows. Then Henry will do the door handles and light switches as well as his room. And then we'll get my daughter to do her bathroom as well as mop. Okay, now for the weather. Wait, I missed something. Thursday. Oh my gosh. Okay, I had all of these and then didn't even refer them. But no, Henry does not have cross country running, but I do have dinner with my friend Jan on Thursday. So we're meeting at 6:30. Jan at, where are we meeting? Noodle Extreme. Oh, I'm excited. Vietnamese. Okay. So then now it is time for the weather. Okay, so let's straighten this out a bit here. So for the weather for the next week, these are not fall temperatures for Edmonton, absolutely not, but it looks beautiful. Like today, it was sunny. I managed to sit outside on my back deck during my lunch hour. Tomorrow's the same. And Wednesday, sun and cloud, but still lovely. Then same on Thursday, sun and cloud. Friday is sunny. Saturday is sun and cloud. And then Sunday is sunny. Like the temperatures that we are having right now are lovely for September. So for example, today the high is 22 Celsius and the low is 7. It's always cold first thing in the morning. And then tomorrow, high of 22 with a low of 10. Wednesday, a little cooler with a high of only 15 and a low of 8. This just helps me to plan as well because, I mean, the weather can change here so quickly. And I mean, even when I'm writing this, the weather may not be the same or accurate on the actual day of, but at least this helps me plan. And then Friday, high of 17 with a low of 7. And then Saturday is a high of 19 with a low of 8. And then Sunday, a high of 21. Wow. With a low of 10. Gosh, weather's going to be absolutely gorgeous. All right. I think that is it. Now, I'm still getting the hang of where to place stickers in this, especially because it is so tiny, but I'm loving the journey of finding what will work for me. Now, I feel like I can put some of this purple washi down, or where's the rest of them? Or some of that green washi as well, just to add a little something. I know it's not a lot, and some people might think of it as a bit too much, but I need to use this washi, so why not here? Just to add a little something. There we go. And the green. So these washies were sent to me by Waringle, and they went with all the inks that I got from them as well. So this one is Autumn Night After 1,000 Years, and then this one is No Longer Human. But I also have the other ones as well, which are all fantastic. All right, I actually prefer that, having just something else to break up the spread. Okay, but that is it for me. Thank you all so much for watching. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. If you like this video, please leave me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching and have yourselves a great day.